out. But this one, by the way, this lists for $82. Actually, that's what MSRP is. Price here, $73,999. So let's go in.
All right.
So this is basically like the one that gentleman had.
And you do have steps up.
So it's like a small travel trailer, really.
It really is.
Right. So you have a sofa here that has a little pull-out tray. So if you want to do snacks or whatever, okay. The TV is right where Lisa's standing. It's on an arm, so it would come out. All right. So that's nice. And these are recliners, by the way. So it does recline out a little bit, okay? Then over here you have your little kitchen. We're just going to kind of move around a little bit. 3-burner stove, little oven, microwave above, okay? You got some storage cabinets here and one there. You've got a cool looking sink, under counter mount, solid surface countertop with a little flip up as well. And there's your covers for that. And a nice area back there. I mean, you've got some countertop space.
You do.
And you have some deep storage there.
Yeah, that goes pretty far back. Look at that. Very nice.
And then
there's a couple of little drawers there.
A couple little drawers over there. All right, then you got your dinette, which also converts to be a bed, which is nice, which has the pull-out drawers. If I can pull them out. Oh, they're stuck. I hate that. You know what? They got to be locked to keep people from doing that.
I would agree.
Right, anyway. Okay, as we continue to go to the back, here's your
nice
TV.
Sliding over the...
Again, as I told you, it does come out and will come fully out so you can watch it from over here, or even spin it this way and watch from the bedroom. Okay? And there's some little nooks and places to put things here. Your refrigerator is back here. This is your Norcold, and this is 12 volt.
Very nice.
Okay? And then there's your bathroom. We'll do that after, but I'll crawl up in here into the bedroom. And I'll take that from Lisa. This is definitely good enough for the tall people in the world. Okay? So you have your sort of wardrobe over here with some glass. There's a little cubby down in here. Okay? There's definitely power everywhere. USB, 12 volt. There's also a little cubby down here, guys. Sorry. You got storage up there as well as over there, and there is a curtain that closes for some privacy, and that has an adjustable shelf. Okay, there is, I think, a speaker built into that. Okay, so let's look at this bathroom. Oh, it's a decent sized bathroom, Lisa. Look at this.
And it's not even a wet bath.
It is not. It's a full bathroom.
Wow.
Right? Tall approved. That. You wouldn't want to be too much wider than me, but you could be wider than me. So I'm going to go tall and fluffy. Okay. Nice storage down here. This is where your TP would go. Okay. Sink, nice countertop space. There's cabinet up top here for, there we go. I put your linens up there. And you've got your shower, which is a really big shower. There's also a hanging bar up here for drying clothes. I'll pull it out now so I can get in. But there's a hanging bar in here. Look at that, y'all. This, yeah, right? I could be 6'7" and stand up in here.
Wow, yep. That's impressive.
This is more comfortable than those corner showers.
And look, this could be a little tub.
It is a little tub. So for the people out there with your fur babies, you can you give the dogs a bath in here.
Yeah, that is great.
I mean, you could sit there. I think it's supposed to be like a little bench. I couldn't get down in there, but
this has more amenities than some tiny trailers you see.
There we go. Put that back up.
Very
and
good.
It does have 3 shelves in there as well.
Very nice.
So yeah, very spacious.
Yeah.
But again, you're going to need a big truck because it's big and heavy.